I'd like to share with you the numbers of my kids channel. I have several YouTube channels, and one of them is a YouTube Kids channel that I created in 2023, and it got monetized within, I think, 10 months. Yeah, 10 months. And so, yes, I will share my numbers with you. So just to let you know, the channel has 1.79k subscribers. I posted 15 videos so far, and it has 445k views. And so now we will check the numbers when it comes to earnings. Many people on my channels want to create kids videos in hope to make money, and I think that sharing my numbers may help you figure out if creating a YouTube Kids channel is for you or not. So in the past 28 days, my channel got 27k views, 431 hours views or watch time. The channel gained 131 subscribers, and it earned 1.24 euros. €1.24. That's how much I earned in 28 days, knowing that I didn't post anything during these 28 days. And the last video I posted, it was 2 months ago. Yeah, about 2 months ago. So it shows that, first of all, kids channels, they don't earn that much. My RPM, my revenue per mille, my RPM is 0.05 cents, meaning that every time my channel gets 1k views, I earn 0.05 cents. So it shows you that if you want to make money with a YouTube Kids channel, you need to make millions and millions of views. And I want to share that because I see many videos on YouTube claiming that you can earn a lot of money by creating kids videos. And I'm not saying that it's not true, but sometimes it seems a bit unrealistic. Plausible, yes, but definitely hard to reach. That being said, I think that some YouTube Kids channels are doing very well, and the reason is they post a lot, and they have found what works for them. For example, if you take a channel like Grace's Corner, which is a very popular channel for kids, and I love this channel, I recommend it to everyone. If you watch their videos, they make music videos, right? And music is always appealing to kids, and the production is really good when it comes to the music itself. All their videos make at least 1 million views, and usually it's between 10 million views and even more. Some of their videos have 100 million views. So let's say they have an RPM of $1. It means that if one of their videos make 3 million views, this video will earn $3,000. That's a lot of money, right? Knowing that there are videos that make 20 million views, 100 million views, my bet is that they're making some good money, and they sell merch. So they created a whole business around this channel. There is another channel that is a good example of that. It's a French one named Les Titounis, and this channel has been around for a while now, and they make a lot of videos for kids, like nursery rhymes and so on. But they also have a website where you can find merch, books, coloring books, toys. So they have their YouTube channels, but they also have other things that they sell, and it seems to work well for them. And what's interesting about Les Titounis is that I've checked their oldest videos, and their first videos have nothing to do with what they are doing right now. So it seems like at the beginning they were trying to find what the audience would like, trying stuff, experimenting and so on. And once they have found what was working, they stuck to it. And you can also see, if you watch their oldest videos, you can see the evolution and the evolution in the production of the videos, the quality of the songs, and also the quality of the images and editing and so on. So that's something encouraging for me and for others, hopefully. It means that we all start somewhere. Even if you feel like your videos don't have a great quality and that you will never be able to earn money, keep in mind that these people videos were not that great at first, but still they have found a way to make it work. So it is possible, but you need to be realistic, I think. And also, if you plan to take this thing seriously when it comes to YouTube Kids, coming with a plan is the thing to do. And going back to Les Titounis, I think when they started, I'm not sure if they had a plan, but if you don't have a plan right now, that's fine. Just experiment and see what you like doing and what works with the audience. And at some point, sit down and say, okay, maybe I can try to figure out a way to make it work better for me financially, and for example, by selling merch or whatever. So I would say having a plan is the way to go, and to see beyond YouTube Partner Program, because the YouTube Partner Program is great, but that's not the smartest way to approach online business, I guess. As for my YouTube Kids channel, I am thinking about ways to make money from it outside of the YouTube Partner Program, because I'm not earning that much. Like $19 is not nothing, but close to nothing, right? So, and also something else when it comes to kids channel, many of you, me included, I would be more than happy to make money from this channel. But I think if you want to create a YouTube Kids channel, it's important as well to think about the kids and the type of content you offer them, because many people online on YouTube create channels for kids, and honestly the content is so bad. Like, there is barely an entertaining side in their content, and when it comes to the educative side, there's none. Like, kids are learning nothing from their videos. I say that as someone who spent a lot of time watching kids videos, because there's a little one in my house, and so I had to sit down and watch with that little one, and sometimes I had no choice but to take the remote and change or just shut down the screen, because the thing she was watching was dumb. So if you want to create kids content, hopefully you will be thoughtful about it and try to make content that add values in kids' life. And I'm not saying that kids have to learn math in every videos. What I'm saying is that even an entertaining video should be, I don't know, like kids oriented, and at least don't make kids dumb, please. That's what I would say. And also, if you are a parent or a guardian, take the time to watch videos with your kids, because some of the videos that are labeled kids videos on YouTube, some of them are really questionable. The undertone, and like, you're like, is it really for kids or something? Like, what is going on, right? So yeah, I would say take the time to sit down with your kids, to watch videos with them for their safety, but also if you want to make videos for kids, it will be a learning session for you. So yeah, that's what I had to share with you about kids videos.